how to save voice messages from Messenger to computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first things first, open up the chat and then what you have to do is tap on the voice message that you want to save, right click on it and tap on inspect and something like this will appear on the screen. On the top, go to network and then once you go to network, you have to play the voice message. And once you start playing the voice message, you'll see a list of items populate in the network tab. Look for the item labeled as media in the type column. This is the voice message you want to save. Double click on it and it will open the voice note. Right click on the audio and select save audio as, choose a desired location on your computer and click on save. And that's it. You've successfully saved a voice message from Messenger to your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.